So we are going to see where this one pans out. Um, and mhm, 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 and just kind of see where we go with it and see what it becomes. Because, I like doing that. And and we got our little tables, and we got our little tables. Yeah, I know I'm not exactly any what's the guy's name, Bob Ross or whatever. Or, I don't know. Hmm Yeah, little happy trees or some shit. Sorry, I shouldn't cuss. Um, and then we're gonna draw perspective in a town. We're gonna draw some bars. And, you shouldn't go to those kids. But, personally, I don't think there's anything wrong with them. Do 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 do. Yeah. Do 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 do. The alcohol industry is a big industry. Do 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 do. And we would have and and then we're gonna put up a moon, and we will have our vanishing point is right about here, and we're gonna leave that kind of open and put another little Bethlehem house there and another one there, and maybe some windows, and then we are done with that one. Okay. And date it and sign it. You always date it and sign it. And this is essentially what you get. Yeah.